Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is academic. 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 Academic is an adjective that relates to education, learning, or scholarly pursuits. It is often used to describe things associated with formal education, research, or the intellectual community. Here are some examples. Example number 1. She received numerous academic awards for her outstanding research contributions. Why academic is used in example number 1. Academic is used to describe the awards related to scholarly achievements, emphasizing their significance in the field of research. Example number 2. The university offers a wide range of academic programs in various disciplines. Why academic is used in example number 2. Academic describes the programs offered by the university, highlighting their educational and scholarly nature. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.